Hey, my name is Tucker Kraus, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Cameco's earnings, which they came out with on Wednesday, February the 9th. Now, of course, I'm normally not going to cover every single earnings report from every company. Oh, I hit my mic there. But Cameco, you know what? They're the big dog. It's very important to look at what they're doing. So let's quickly go over it. But first, I did steal this document here, Cantor Fitzgerald. It's just an equity research form. They've got everything laid out very nicely here, and I just want to go over some of the focus points they have listed, so that's, of course, what's important. Though, one thing to quickly note just above that is they did do a 50% increase to their annual dividend, which is pretty cool to see, but on their long-term contracts, since that's what Cameco is known for, right, they don't really do spot market selling, they go all in long-term contracts. So, over Q1 and Q2 and Q3 of 2021, they added 20 million pounds of uranium contracts, but that's not the big story here, is that they added 50 million pounds since the end of Q3 and 40 million pounds in January of 2022 alone. So they are ramping way up clearly, and so that's just insane. This could be, as in the equity researchers' view, officially marks the start of a massive new long-term contracting cycle on behalf of nuclear utilities worldwide. I think that's very fair to say. So on production, of course, a lot of the talk going into this was about McArthur River. Are they going to reopen it? What are they doing with McArthur River? So they're going to begin the restart process, and they're going to be targeting production of 15 million pounds per year in 2024, which is well below the licensed capacity of 25 million pounds, and that is going to be paired with a reduction in Cigar Lake's output, being dropping from 18 million pounds down to 13.5 million pounds in 2024 to help offset a whole bunch of the new supply that's going to be coming from McArthur River. And so overall, this is going to lead a net addition of 10.5 million pounds of uranium, and it already has a home in Cameco's long-term contracting portfolio, according to management, and will not be sold into the spot market, so we will not see the spot market flood with this new uranium. And so it says here, Cameco will continue with its supply discipline indefinitely. That's, of course, good to see. They're not trying to flood in the market, and though with the deficits, I'm not sure even if Cameco went 100% on everything, if they could even solve the deficits. I don't have the exact numbers in front of my face right now, though. Either way, so yeah, as we can see here, it looks like Cameco is playing it smart and safe like usual. They're bullish with all the new contracting, of course. They're still being very conservative with all their long-term contracts compared to spot market selling. All good to see here. And of course, their stock responded to that, up 15% on Wednesday, February the 9th. And that was way more than even like Explorers weren't going up that much. Even the Explorers were only hitting 10-11% in response. So Cameco had a phenomenal day here. That's all that kind of stuff. By the time you're seeing this, maybe Cameco's sold off a little bit as people take profits. Who knows? Or maybe it's flown another 15%. We'll see how it's all going. That's the end of this video. Cameco's earnings, very bullish for the uranium sector, and I will see you next time.